Hey everyone, here's the little fishing spot. Just wanted to jump in and check, see if there's any lobsters around. Got our Hooked SUP. Got it all rigged up here. You see the paddle. We got our diving gear here. Got a cooler, carry your beers or your phone or whatever. A couple rod holders. Check it out. There's a rod holder. Two on my cooler. I modified a cooler. And also I got one up front too. Okay, let's go check it out underwater, see if anybody's home. Looks like a nice couple bugs down there.